What's up, guys? I'm Fire Guy, and today we're playing Toca Kitchen 2. And let's hope I'm a good chef. I've played this game before. So, what are you doing? That's my twin brother. So, ow. Ah! He pushed me. He pushed my head. You come into my video without my permission. Let's see what we should do for him. I'm gonna take this out. Take some carrots out. Yep. What else? What else? What else? What's next? Some hot dogs and some steak, some chicken. Nope, chicken. No chicken. Chicken. Wait. Okay. Take this, and take this. Yep, thanks. Okay. My mom's gonna make some noise over TV. That's why I'm gonna mute. If the noise starts happening. And, yeah. I'm making some food. What is this called again? It looks like noodles or chicken spaghetti. I think it's called spaghetti. Done with that. Spaghetti. Why is it upside down? Flip around. Wait, flip around. Does not want to flip around. What else? What's next? Wait, no! What am I doing? I didn't mean to do that. Steak. Pour the dinner all around, the butter all around, pour the butter all around. And I take steak. Some steak. All right. Let the people eat steak. Sugar. Tell me down in the comments what they do. Eat it with. I'm gonna mute because my mom's gonna make some noise right now. Right about now. Am I muted? Nope, I'm gonna mute right now. I'm gonna mute. Mommy, what do you add to chicken? What do you add to chicken? What do you add to chicken?
Vegetables.
No, I'm like, what of these do you add to chicken? What one of these? What do you add to chicken? No,
You
like.
need to add flavor. It must taste nice. You can add almost everything.
Man, serious man. Once you bring our own biscuits to feeling, ngeke. I'm getting Uber Eats. Snap like.
He just spit on me. He sneezed on me. What? That's gross. That's so gross. He just sneezed on me. Again. Again. Seriously. Don't do it the third time. Do not. Ah, that's gross. Why did you do that? Feed me. Feed me. Pretend like this dude is me. I was going to. It just paint. Yeah. Nom 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 nom. Ah, this is delicious. Nom 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 nom. Ah, this is delicious. Let's give him some spaghetti. I think it's spaghetti or noodles. I'm not sure. Let's see. Do you like it? Nah, that means he likes it. Some more. Some more. Eat it all! What? Just burp. Before they used to make sounds. It's just that when I record videos, the sound goes away. Because if the sound's there, you guys won't be able to hear me speaking. Yep, that's the truth. Do you like carrots? Burp again. Do you like steak? He likes it. Alright, let's see what happens when I do this. Add some lemon. Add some spice. Add some spice. Yes. Add some this to make him sneeze. Add some spice to make it spicy. Add some lemon. Add some spice. Add some of this. Add some ketchup. And add whatever this is. Die. It's bad.
There is something cold to eat.
Now that's delicious. What else should I cook for him? I'm gonna cook some fish for him. Fish with some fries. Yeah. Fish with some fries. Yeah. Wait. Let me cut it up. Cut.
Tell me, if you had the house, you swim every single day.
Yes. If we had a house with a swimming pool, we'd swim every day.
And you, Angel?
Boil it up. Boil it up. Just like some McDonald's. Boil it up just like some McDonald's. Smart. Make them burn, baby. Make them burn. No thanks for you. Chicken, fried chips. No thanks for you. No breaks to breed.
Still a bit frozen.
Yeah. What do you do with the fries, bro? Yeah, the fries, bro. Like them? Where do you cook fish? Do you boil fish?
You fry it.
Fry it. Like how you fry potatoes. Mommy, where? Where? Here or here? Yeah?
No. You can, yes. You can also grill them. There's many ways.
Fish! Get grilled. Grill! Oh my god! And so I did not know you could grill fish. Look. That looks so delicious. Let me add that.
Restaurants do it.
Yeah. I used to pan it. Fry it. I used to fry it. There's some music. Yeah.
Enjoy it and keep singing.
Hey, yo! Sweet! Yeah!
What?
Yeah! Let's see what we can
Find a golden coin with Powermat and win your share of 1 million rand. Buy any participating.
Yeah! Wait, what?
I got paid.
That's small.
Advance.
Wait. That's some real juice over there. That's some real strawberry juice. What? You don't like it? eyes for him. He likes them. Take some more until you burp. Take them until you burp. Burp at me. Burp. That was gross. Excuse you. I said excuse you. What? Burp. That's too much lemon. Well, thank you guys for